Okay, we're going to talk about inverse functions here. First off, if f is a one-to-one function, alright, it's a one-to-one function with ordered pairs a comma b, then the inverse of f, which is how we denote that here, the inverse of f is a one-to-one function with ordered pairs b, a. So in other words, the x and the y values flip. The range of f is the domain of its inverse, okay, and the domain of f is the range of the inverse. Okay, now I think the best way to look at this is a diagram here. I'll use some colors. If we use green as the domain of f and red as the output here, look, this, let's say that this is the domain of f. In other words, we put values from here. You put your a's or x's, if you want to think of it that way, x's into f, and you get out your y's. Okay, this would then be your range. Shouldn't be any news to anybody. Okay, but in the inverse takes those y values, okay, the y values of your original function, and they're essentially the x values of your inverse, and the domain of your original function is the range of your inverse. Okay, this diagram will prove to be pretty helpful later, but basically what I put in to my original function is what I get out of my inverse. So down here, this is the domain of your inverse and your range of your function.